Magda K, and welcome to this video in which I'll be talking about the needs as a secret to happy relationships. So you may be wondering, are needs good? Aren't needs actually a reflection of ego that we should transcend? Shouldn't we attract the relationship from the place of having no needs? And aren't needy people not fit to have a good relationship? So if you like this topic and if you would like to know more about relationships and sacred intimacy, subscribe to the channel. But now let's focus on the needs. So coming from a tantric background, I used to judge my needs very, very deeply. In fact, any spiritual practice that's out there is designed to help us transcend the needs. So people will sit in meditation, and sometimes for a week of meditation like Vipassana, and they're transcending the need to be comfortable, to sit in a comfortable chair, the need to eat something tasty. In Tantra, we transcend our sexual desires and needs by subliming the energy. So for long, I assumed that any need that I would have, it's something from my ego, from the lower chakras, it's just not good. And my goal on my spiritual path should be to forget about the needs. And so I approached my relationships from the same perspective. And what I realized that I acted from the place that wasn't really real for me. I was acting more conscious than I actually was. So I remember years ago I attended this tantric workshop about relationships, and we were given a paper with a list of many needs, and we were talking about it, and we're meant to choose the ones that are mostly aligned with us. And I remember thinking, what's the point of this exercise? I mean, isn't the goal to release all of those needs? And yeah, I was really naive, because truth is that everyone has needs. It may be a state you want to aspire to of no needs, but you're not there. I am not there, and no one is there. And the thing about the needs is that if you don't need them, they don't disappear. They become toxic, and it becomes a ticking bomb in your body that's eventually going to come out and kill your connection. So for me, de-demonizing my needs was a very important step on the path to attracting better and better relationships. But then I realized something else. So once I decided that it's okay to have needs, I realized that I actually don't know what my needs are. And this is the story that so many of us can relate to. For me, in my childhood, I wasn't really encouraged to speak up for what I needed. And then even if I did, my needs usually were ignored by my family. So I learned that it's pointless to tune into myself and to know what I need, and it's pointless to express it because it will not be met. And so this is actually my current struggle. I'm learning, I'm rediscovering what my needs are. So this video is for everyone who can relate to this. Whether you think that having the needs is just something not okay, and so you're not expressing them to your partner, or maybe you simply, like me, don't fully know what your needs are. But I really want you to understand that without owning your needs, without accepting them and making space for them, you cannot build a happy, long-lasting relationship. Because to build a relationship like this, you have to be honest and transparent, and you have to communicate your truth. And your needs are your truth. So make an extra effort to always be tuning into your heart, asking your body, what is it that you need in this moment? Before eating, check in. Do I really need to eat right now? Do I really need to sleep? Maybe what I need right now is a hug. Maybe your partner wants to make love. You don't really feel it because maybe what you need first is 10 minutes of foreplay. So if you keep tuning into your body in those everyday situations, you will learn what it is that you need, and it will help you open up and be fully transparent, present, and open-hearted with your partner. And from that place, you get to build a beautiful relationship. And by the way, the more permission you give yourself to express your needs and ask for those needs to be met, you're also encouraging your partner to meet you at the same level. So he or she will also be able to tap into their needs, share them with you, and you'll discover that really your partner wants to meet your needs. They want you to be happy, just like you probably very happily would meet the needs if it's within your boundaries of your partner. So don't worry so much about being rejected if you express what you need. In most cases, you really receive exactly what you're asking for. So I truly want to encourage you, to make space for your needs. Forget all of this bullshit, all of the people who are telling you forget the needs and release them and don't focus on them. Do focus on them, because that's what makes you human. And the relationship is not just between two souls, it's between two human beings with the past, with the stories, and with the needs. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, subscribe to the channel, make sure to follow me and watch all of the other videos, and also stay connected. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are below. I also have a private group for women and another one for men. You will also find the links to those groups below the video, so you can join me, have private conversations, ask me questions, and dive deeper into topics such as relationships, intimacy, and Tantra.